Hello. So it's really important to mulch your garden for multiple reasons. It helps keep the weeds down, and it helps keep the soil nice and moist, and it keeps it protected from the hot sun. It also will keep the soil and the roots of the plants a nice, steady, even temperature. Some good ways to harvest are just to gather some random pieces of plant material from your property. In this case, I've got some tea leaves, and I've also got some African tulip, which is an invasive plant here in Hawaii, and it grows out of control. So that's another good one to use. That's this right here. It's the one with the pretty orange flowers that you see all over the hillsides. And it's good because the green materials will add a lot of nitrogen into the soil, but the more woody materials will add lots of carbon into the soil. At this time, I'm just going to be mulching in the pathways because the plants are still real young, so I don't want to put anything that might get in their way of growing or get in their way of sun. Covering the soil also is real important because it allows space for little bugs like worms or other decomposing bugs to have a little place to live between the soil and the air, terrestrial surface levels. So we also harvested some cane grass, which is also super invasive in Hawaii. And the cane grass is also good because it's high in nitrogen as well. Once it dries out, it'll also add some carbon into the soil.